In this video, I will show you how to create a new line within a Excel cell. So normally guys, you try to type anything in Excel cell. So you can't make two line. As you can see, it's appear in second column. So to make line, and once you press enter, so it's not work. So easy way to make it, like put your cursor where your first line finished, and make a paragraph. Press Alt key. Now press enter. So we can see now we have this in one line or one cells some lines. So this way you can insert the multiple lines. One cells in Excel. Just guys, you have to press Alt plus enter. So thanks for watching.